Hi, what's your name?
My name is Abhishek Mishra.
Abhishek, how was the exam?
It was pretty good.
Okay, so if I ask you about the overall difficulty level and section-wise difficulty level of the exam, how was it?
It was not that difficult.
Okay.
Just we needed preparation, that's all.
Okay, so did you appear for the CAT exam before or this was
This
your
is the first time mine, and I felt it was pretty easy based on my preparation. And the overall, even the con section was easy, not that difficult compared to the previous year question papers.
So were there any topics which were repeated from previous year question papers and this question paper had the similar questions? If you can tell me the topics or the questions if you remember anything.
I have seen the similarity in the DILR questions,
Okay.
the chart and the bar graphs.
Okay.
They were similar from the previous year.
Do you remember any questions from quant or maybe reading comprehension or maybe something related to vocabulary?
I remember one question from Cons that which it was asking for ratios,
Okay.
like if A and B were partners, then what is the profit of C and D, like that types of questions.
Okay, do you have any suggestions for the students upcoming for the next lot examinations or any strategy that you applied and that was in favor of you and you would like to suggest other students?
The strategy I applied was the basic common knowledge.
Okay.
Like it was based on pretty much your common knowledge on the day-to-day logic. Like if you go to a shop, what would you do? Just you will use the normal maths. It's just that, nothing more complex.
Okay, so were you able to attempt all questions within this time limit?
I felt difficulty in the con section. It was a bit lengthy for me. But yes, I attempted nearly about 15 to 16 questions.
15 to 16 questions you were able to attempt?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, did you face any technical issues during the exam?
No.
No, it was all good?
Yes.
Okay, great.
It was alright. It was good.
Okay, did you find any difficulty, technical issue or anyone else? Okay. Do you remember any question?
Not specifically, but I would say for the most part, all of the questions were easy. In the quant section, for the DILR, it was moderate. And BARC, I found two RCs were a little difficult. For the most part, it was moderate level.
Okay, so what was your strategy for preparation and taking the exam while taking the exam?
I would say my strategy was a little mixed up because I took coaching from Career Launchers and I also used to watch YouTube videos
Okay.
for clarity on some topics. And for the most part, just practicing questions.
Okay, what would you suggest the next students who are about to give the exam?
Just keep an open mind. You have studied enough, so don't try कि और कुछ पढ़ लेते हैं. Just go for it, and it will be all right.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Disha.
Disha, how was your exam?
Exam was pretty good actually. I will say the difficulty level was moderate.
Okay, so if I ask you the section-wise difficulty level of the exam, how was it?
I found DILR a bit difficult. Like मैं mocks जब खुद भी देती थी तब भी मुझे बहुत मुश्किल लगा तो eventually मुझे यहाँ पे मुश्किल लगी. This was my first time. On overall बाकी तो okay था. Quants was easy this time. जो
Okay,
quants
quants
के
was
जो
easy.
questions थे वो बहुत doable थे.
Okay.
And numbers were small तो वो जल्दी जल्दी हो रहे थे.
So did you take previous year question paper mock test and all
I
that?
attempted two previous year
So how did you
and
find मतलब did you see कि question same थे या फिर difficulty level कुछ अलग
सेम
था?
तो देखो नहीं था कोई भी. एक क्वेश्चन था प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस वाले कंसेप्ट में से, उसमें से मुझे लगा कि सेम है. एंड बाकी अदर टॉपिक्स वर डिफरेंट. मतलब क्वेश्चन की फॉर्मेशन वाज डिफरेंट.
Okay.
द कॉन्सेप्ट्स वाज सेम.
So you say कि आप वहाँ पे बहुत सारे टॉपिक सिमिलर थे इसमें and the concept same था. Okay. So what was your strategy while taking up the exam? Because यहाँ पे section time limit था plus कि difficulty level compared to other MBA entrance exam CAT की difficult रहती है. So what was your strategy while taking the exam?
To be very honest, this was my first time. So
Okay.
the main thing was in VRC, I left the flow of time and I was just focusing what I'm reading. मैंने ध्यान ही नहीं करा कि टाइम नहीं जा रहा है वहाँ पे. And that window closed.
Oh,
There was
okay.
And in DILR, it was good. Like in the last 4 minutes, I completed with my sets.
Okay.
And I attempted all the TETA questions. This is the best strategy which my coaching told me. कि attempt all TETA questions, whether you know it or no. क्या पता guess लग जाए और वो ठीक हो जाए.
Right. So do you have any suggestions or any tips for the students who will be coming up for the next lot?
For the next lot.
Yes.
Tough लग भाई और तो कुछ नहीं समझी अभी तो.
Nice. Okay, so are you appearing for any other MBA entrance exam?
Only the CAT.
Only the CAT? Okay, great. Hi, what's your name?
Pooja.
Hi, Pooja. So how was your exam?
I think the exam was good. VRC was moderate and LIDI was easy.
Okay.
There were 2 or 3 sets that were doable. And About quant, it was a bit lengthy, but the difficulty level, I would say, from moderate to hard.
Okay, so which section did you find the toughest out of all these sections, and how many questions were you able to attempt?
I think it was quant, and I was able to attempt only 5 questions out of 22.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you remember any questions, any topics which had high weightage, or any kind of questions that you feel that was like, unexpected, or anything that you find unusual about this exam compared to previous question papers or anything?
No, I guess it was nothing out of the box.
Okay.
It was common like other PYQs. Nothing was like new. It was a moderate exam, nothing new.
Okay, this was the first attempt?
Second,
Second attempt. So did you find this attempt to be difficult or easy compared to the previous attempt?
I think it was easier.
It was easier. Okay, do you have any suggestions for the upcoming students for the next lot?
I would say just prioritize your strategy, specifically in quant only.
Okay, so what strategy did you apply for, all other sections? So the sections that you find easy, or maybe how did you cope up with the section-wise time limit? How did you cope up with this time limit?
Like my strategy was to go over all the questions,
Okay.
then pick which one should I do. But in quant, I failed to opt that strategy. So that's what.
Are you appearing for any other MBA entrance exams?
Not right now.
Not yet. Okay.
Divya, how was your exam?
So it was nice.
Okay, did you find any question or any section difficult?
Yeah, I think the LIDI was not so difficult, but there were multiple sets, so you had to do it in a time limit.
Okay, is there any technical difficulty?
No, there were no technical.
Okay, so what was your strategy for preparation?
So for preparation, I did a lot of mocks so that I could have a timed approach to it. And then I also tried to concentrate on one type of questions more, so that I have surety that I would be able to crack those instead of focusing on multiple things. So that it is not that you try to do everything, but in the end you are not able to do one thing.
Okay, so what advice would you like to give other students?
So I would just tell them to do a lot of mocks and try, even when you are learning or trying to solve them without the mock, try to do it in a timely approach. Like start a stopwatch with it or a timer so that you know in what direction you are able to complete. Because timing is like the main game in our competitive examination.
Okay, thank you so much. All the best.